Hello, welcome to Dave's Auto. Today I'll be working on a 2015 Honda Accord V6 3.5. I will be replacing the starter. The starter is acting up. Sometimes it would start, sometimes it wouldn't. So I already diagnosed the problem and I will be replacing the starter today. Um, I have it in the shop on the lift. I mean, we can take it from the top. So, if you don't need to jack it up, then you're good. You probably would not need a lift for this. But let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this air box out of the way, and then I'll go ahead and disconnect the battery. Right? I'll disconnect the battery terminals and just take the whole battery out so it will not be in my way. All right, so I already got the clips off. Let's move the air box out of the way. All right, and then obviously we can loosen the battery hold down um, bracket and just move it out of the way. Okay. And then we can go ahead and just take the battery terminals off and remove the whole battery out. Right, I already loosen it up, so this is ready to come out. Put it somewhere safe. All right, we can just totally take the battery out. You can take the battery tray out of the way. Okay, so that way we can have full access to getting the starter out. What you want to do is to take this 10 millimeter bolt out. It's just like a bracket that holds the coolant hose, the lower radiator coolant hose. We want to take the bolt off, and I take this off the way. Okay, so we'll be able to move the hose back and forth. It's a 10 millimeter bolt. Yeah, I broke it loose already, so I could just do it by hand. And then we can totally take it out of the way. And the next thing we're gonna do is we can go ahead and take the plug. Just take it off. That's the plug going to the starter. So push it down and move it out. Okay, so the plug is out. The next thing we're gonna do is to take the cable, the positive cable going to the starter. We're gonna go ahead and take that off. It's gonna be a 12 millimeter socket to take the bolt off. All right, so basically we move this out of the way, and that's it right here. It's a 12 millimeter bolt, or a knot. It's a 12 millimeter knot, so we're gonna need a 12 socket to take it off. All right, so that's it right here. This is what we're gonna use. Okay, so I broke it loose already, so I could just go ahead and take it off by hand. Okay. Okay, that's here. Oops. All right, it's right there. I can pick it up. All right, and then we can go ahead and take the cable off completely and put it to the side. The next thing we want to do is we got two 14 millimeter bolts. One is over here. Okay, let me move it to the side so you can actually see it. Okay, so okay, there you go. You got one over there. This is the first one, and then there's another one down here, right here. So it is 14 millimeter bolt. So let's go ahead and take that off. All right, so let's go ahead and unscrew that. I got a long extension to be able to take it off. It's actually down here. Okay, so that one is off. Okay, just go ahead and pull it out. Okay, so that's it right here. That's the first bolt. The other bolt is right here. This one right there. Yes, it's this one right here. Okay. Yeah, if you follow this wire here, this plug, it goes over here, and then the bolt sits right on top of it. I know it's kind of weird where it is. Okay, so just follow my finger. It's right here. Okay. So let's take that one off as well. Okay. There's a one right here. Okay, that's it right here. So we can take that one off as well. Now the starter is ready to come out. Okay, that's it right here. Okay, just pull it out. Okay, that's it. So that's the starter right here. So folks, that's how you remove a starter on a 2015 Honda Accord with a V6 engine. All right, so basically the same process to install the new one. Okay, thank you.